Hey everyone, it's Anthony with 5 and 2 Ministries with your daily bread. Today I want to examine Proverbs 11:25, which says, "A generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed." This verse teaches that generosity and kindness bring rewards, not just to the recipient, but to the giver as well. The phrase refreshes others suggests giving in a way that uplifts, helps, or supports others, like providing water to a thirsty soul. In essence, when you invest in the well-being of others, you receive blessing and rejuvenation in return. The message here is that selflessness is rewarded, not always in material wealth, but often in spiritual fulfillment, emotional satisfaction, or even support from others when we need it. The Hebrew word for prosper in this context can also mean enriched or satisfied, which speaks to the idea that true abundance comes from a life of generosity. When we pour out into others' lives, we end up filling our own. It's not merely about giving money or resources, it's about having a heart that truly cares about others and finds joy in uplifting and helping them. This can mean supporting a friend going through a hard time, volunteering in the community, donating to a meaningful cause, or simply offering kind words to someone in need. Even on social media, a positive message or an encouraging comment can be a way to refresh others. When you give, remember that generosity enriches you in many ways, creating a ripple effect of goodness. You never know who you might inspire, how you might change someone's day, or even alter their lives. So, make it a habit to refresh others, knowing that in doing so, you'll find yourself refreshed. This is God's design for a prosperous, fulfilling life. Thanks for listening, and have a blessed day.